Welcome to a special video, Smart Construction Workers who are on another level. In today's video, we will explore the incredible skills and creativity of construction workers who are not only masters of their craft, but also talented inventors. Get ready to witness inspiring stories of ingenuity and creativity of construction workers. This guy uses the most unusual building materials to read water, and what he creates is truly amazing. This worker is as precise as a clock. He will never need a sturdy saw. This problem can be solved quickly and easily with a clip. Now the window is open, but not too open. This stoneware is just a great imitation made from cement and professional brushing. Although the people working below are not afraid either. You don't need a fancy machine to level sidewalk tiles. Basic tools and a great partner will do the trick. This craftsman only needs a few steps to create a shiny new floor. Have you done anything with your argument, and I can't do that, I don't know that? Observe the curvature of this plasterwork is pure. Watch the experts make pool covers that are as relaxing as swimming in the pool itself. Here is a free tip for packing a paint roller. I think he can safely patent this unique technology. This is the smartest way to move a heavy object on a flat road. These stone crushers are more synchronized than a Swiss. How to tile without tiles. Watch this artist dramatically transform the look of floors with the help of liquid resin. Paradoxical experts find difficulties unobstructed in one reason to be creative. This artist has no room for even the smallest mistake, but who says he will make mistakes? But you've never come across a tool like this before. It's a legit concrete broom. Wow, this guy can turn concrete into a work of art. The excellence of this work ensures that this design will last for decades. A tape measure is of course an important tool, but real professionals can work with what they have on hand. Professional builders don't know what procrastination is like. Watch them build a roof faster than you can blink. What is this if not a dream team? Video dedicated to all those who are tired of hard office work. Give a good painter a spoon and watch real marble appear in your home beautifully. Check out this masterclass on how to install an electrical outlet. These guys came up with a device that does all the heavy lifting for them, which is not only awesome. When workers finally understand the phrase "work smarter, not harder," oh my God! Even with a full workload, a professional was able to tackle his own backyard to create a large swimming pool. He could easily be a famous beatmaker. Prove that people can do anything to respect him. In the hands of a talented worker, a basic tool has the ability to turn a boring ceiling into something truly unique and attractive. This great worker does not believe in the concept of stronger and weaker genders. Check out the baker with the fastest hands in the game. He is the first lightning. Enjoy watching the biggest concrete pour you've ever seen. This road worker has the skill to make any pothole disappear with some gravel. This is really impressive. This craft is done by this expert. Sure, breaking is easier than building, but only if you are a true excavator guru. It's great to see a real, professional team at work. Turn a wall into something amazing. More efficient than the entire brick factory. Six workers merged into one precise machine. This guy has the artist's touch because he turns construction into pure art. This may look like a broken brick to us, but for this owner, it was an opportunity to create a masterpiece. He never asked his teacher why I need this physics thing. Only the most skilled artist can create an entire pattern with a single movement. The result of this guy's diligent work is a concrete surface that will last over 50 years. Imagine this guy has a sense of depth perception. Even small pieces of tile can transform an entire room in the hands of a master. If you saw this perfect piece of work in the middle of the street, would you ever think it was handmade?